Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are fine. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to show custom loading in Flutter application. For this purpose, we will use a package Flutter Spinkit. You can see this is package Flutter Spinkit. We will use this package in our application. So first of all, let me add this package into my Flutter project. Open terminal, write a command flutter pub add and here paste name of the package, press enter. So it will add flutter spinkit package into our project. Now our package has been added successfully. Now I will create basic design of the application. First of all, let me import material, and here I will create main function, and inside main function I will call run app, and inside this I will pass my app name. Here let me create stateless widget my app. Here in build function I will return material app, and here I can pass multiple parameters. First of all, let me give title custom loading, and after that theme. Here I can pass theme data, and here color scheme from seed, and here we can give any color, for example blue color. I will use here material 3 like this, and here I need to give home, and let me create home screen here inside lib screens, and inside screens I will create another directory or folder home, and inside this I will create my dart file home screen, and here let me import material stateful widget home screen, and here let me return scaffold like this. Now here I can pass my home constant home screen like this. Now let me run application. Now you can see our application has been launched successfully. First of all, let me remove this debug banner. You can see banner has been removed. Now simply here I will show you loading. By default, let me use body center, and here in child. By default we use circular progress indicator. You all know what is circular progress indicator. Here you can see this is basic loading. But now by using Flutter Spinkit package, we can use multiple loadings. Here let me show you. Here open documentation here and scroll down. You can see multiple loadings are given here. We can use anyone from here. I hope you understand. Let me show you. Here instead of circular progress indicator, let me use Spinkit. Here you can see if I type Spinkit, you can see it is showing multiple loadings like this. You can see here multiple loadings. You can use anyone. Let me use first one, Spinkit chasing dots, and refresh it. Here let me pass color red, for example. Now you can see it is showing Spinkit chasing dots loading. Let me show you some other loadings here. For example, rotating circle. Here you can see rotating circle. Let me show this one, Spinkit rotating circle, rotating circle, this one. And here let me pass color. for example blue color. Now let me refresh it. Now you can see it is showing. It is working. Now let me show some other loading. For example dual ring. Here dual ring. Let me show you dual ring. Spinkit dual ring, and here I can pass any color, for example indigo color. Let me refresh it. You can see it is showing dual ring. So like this, you can use multiple loadings in your application. It will give a professional look to your application for custom designs. I hope you understand how to use Flutter Spinkit. If you face any issue while implementing Flutter Spinkit, you can contact me, or you can type your question or issue in comment box. So I will help you. Okay, good luck.